To become confident, what techniques you have to use? Remember, when you speak slower, people feel that you are confident. You look intelligent and you feel it even when you are nervous. You have to speak slower. There is a concept called slow and steady wins the race. The same thing applies in the confidence building. When you are slower, you build relationship. When you think and speak, you speak correctly. You don't rush to the conclusion. That shows that you understand people, and that sounds more than anything else. You build relationship, you build confidence. So next time whenever you speak, try to speak at least 10% slower than what you are speaking, so that you can build confidence in yourself and have a great relationship. Thank you and subscribe to the channel if you like the same.